Kolter homes. Homes that are built around you. Built around you means offering personalization options that fit the way you live today and tomorrow. An example of this is the Owner Suite 2 option, available in the Sydney floor plan. Say you have parents, a sibling, or other family members who may live with you at some point in the future. Instead of flipping a coin for who gets the biggest bedroom, you can convert bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 into a second owner's suite with dual vanity bathroom and 2 walk-in closets. With this option, you also get an additional powder room for guests. Adding another bedroom for visiting family and friends is just as easy. The Sydney has an option to change the flex space into a 4th bedroom with a full ensuite bath. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.